Hi everyone, so this is really the core problem of Hivelight, and it's the problem faced by anyone managing a law practice or managing a caseload within a law practice, and that is, how do I manage the work and people in my practice in a way that scales? Now, practice management software doesn't really solve that problem. It primarily focuses on the matter, but what you learn when you're managing a practice is that it's really about the people. You've got to have the right people in the right seats doing the right things at the right times, and you need the right systems to connect it all together in a way so that your growth isn't limited by how hard you can push yourself. The trouble is that most practice owners don't really have the time, training, or resources to implement and maintain the systems that they need to grow. So this is where Hivelight comes in. It's a paint-by-numbers system for managing the people and work of your practice. You get real-time reporting on the progress of your cases, agile project management for your matters, and a system that keeps everyone on top of their tasks and milestones. So let's dive in. Now, I should first mention that the app is still in development, but we are already using it to manage our own work internally. So this is the dashboard. This is what you'll see when you first log into Hivelight, and it's going to show you what you need to prioritize most immediately. And this is generated for each individual user depending on which matters they are involved in. You can see it's going to show you what milestones you've got coming up on your matters, which ones are approaching, if any are overdue. And the same again for your tasks as well, including the ability to have things marked as priority. And of course, the next thing you're going to want to know when you are managing a firm or you are managing your workload as an employee of that firm is where are all my matters up to and what's about to happen next. So to answer that, we can click through to the matters page to get a summary of the status and the progress of each of our matters. So as you can see, this page provides you with a summary of where all your matters are up to and what the next milestone or key date is in each matter. There's also a progress bar for each matter showing how far through its milestones it is, and it's color-coded as well to display whether the matter is running to schedule. We'll be adding the ability to have custom matter properties in each of your matters and the ability to filter and sort by those matter properties. And that means that you can then have real-time reports on where different groups of matters are up to. This will help you make strategic decisions about how you allocate the resources of your firm. So next we can click through to a matter to see what work needs to be done in order to hit the next set of milestones. As you can see, each matter has a task board which shows you immediately where the matter is up to and what needs to be done. You can also see who's responsible for each task and when it needs to be completed by. As you click through each milestone, you can see the work that needs to be done to complete that milestone. And you can quickly add, edit, and delete milestones to accommodate developments in the case. It's easy to create new tasks. All you have to do is add a title and an assignee. The due date will default to the target date of the milestone, but you can change that as well. You can add instructions and links to a task and also set a reviewer so that when the task is put in the review column, the reviewer will be tasked to check the work and decide whether it has been done. You can also view all the tasks in a matter, and this allows you to quickly move work around the team and communicate priorities. You can mark a task as priority and it will go to the top of the assignee's to-do list on their dashboard and also the all tasks list that you can see here. You can quickly reassign tasks to other users, including yourself, which is quite helpful if somebody is away or sick or leaves the firm. You can filter by all their tasks and reassign them to another person. Another key feature is roadmaps. This is a feature where you can save the tasks and milestones in a matter as a template and then load that to another matter. Simply click at the top right hand side of the taskboard and select to copy the tasks and milestones on that matter as a roadmap, or you select the next button along to pick from a list of roadmaps and load those to your matter. This allows you to really delegate work at scale, standardize how work should be performed, and also set the pace at which you expect matters to progress. And Hivelight will come with a standard set of roadmaps that you can adapt to the work of your firm. Another key feature that will be very helpful is that you can actually invite barristers to work with you on individual matters so that the full legal team can coordinate in real time. We'll also be adding social media style file notes and activity feeds, further adding to the social focus of Hivelight. And we currently have a number of firms across 3 states as well as barristers helping us to refine and improve the app as we go. If you'd like early access, just head to hivelight.com and enter in your email address.